I have been in the banking and lending industry for the last 20 years, and currently I hold a full-time position as a loan processor, and I own my own successful digital business.
I'm currently a stay-at-home mom, but I worked in the insurance industry for 8 years before I found this business.
As a single mother and a landed immigrant here in Canada, it is really difficult because I am not only raising my child alone, I am also supporting my family back home, so it's a challenge for me.
Hi everyone, my name is Karen, and by profession I work as a dental technician for over the last 15 years. But in 2018 I did something that completely changed my life. I decided to move my career online, and I became an internet-based business owner.
I'm Miriam, and I live in California. I'm an accountant, a digital business owner, and a mother.
We're Jackson and Emily from Vancouver, Canada. We are digital business owners, and we have 4 boys ranging from 10 to 15 years old.
My name is Mai, Vietnamese, but I'm living in Sydney, Australia. I come from a family of 8 kids.
Hi, I'm Mary Lou. I'm a mom to a 2-year-old girl. I currently live in London, United Kingdom.
Hi everyone, this is Jamie. I'm a mom of 3 and I'm based in Singapore. My biggest why is that I want to spend more quality time with my 3 kids, my hubby and my family.
Hello, my name is Frances. I'm a mother of 3 beautiful children and a certified dental assistant for almost 15 years now. When I found out about this business, I took the leap of faith because I truly believe that this is the one I'm looking for.
I used to be a hairstylist, but thanks to this amazing business, I can stay at home with my kids and watch them grow without losing any milestone.
Well, thinking in a better future for my 5 kids and my husband, and me, of course, I always dreamed to be my own boss, and this business was the perfect fit for me. Why? Because I see the big potential on it, and this business has so many good things about it.
I've been working on my business since November 2019, and I love that I can get things done with my kids while it's still running in the background.
I can take it anywhere and work at any time I want, and that's the best thing while I'm working full-time. I can fit it in with my busy schedule.
And another thing is this business has taught us a lot of things about personal growth and development, especially in my case that I don't have the technological skills, and I'm grateful for the support of our community.
It's this community of dreamers and action takers that I'm so grateful for. Dreamers because we all want the best for our family. Action takers because we all know that we need to act on what we think will get us to achieve our dreams.
Take that leap of faith like I did a year ago.
Message me and I'll be happy to reach out with more info. Already, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside soon. Bye now.